morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your names to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there's no driving while court is in session. Also, there'll be no talking, eating, drinking, gum chewing, walking around of any kind. Please, and no smoking, and please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Happy New Year to everyone. Let me ask, Mr. Javon, do you have a driver's license, ma'am? I can't hear you.
I know. I was trying to get my sound, and yes, I do.
Okay, good. Congratulations. All right.
Thank you.
So, I'm gonna pass this off to the city attorney and see what kind of offer he's gonna give you. All right.
Okay.
All right. Ms. Kazule.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Is that Aisha Lewis? That's who I was looking for.
Yes.
Oh.
I'm right here. Right here.
I got you. I'm just checking. All right, so where's your brother?
Good morning.
My
Your,
brother? Oh,
Good morning.
good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you. All right. Let's see this. I don't understand why we're doing this. All we're doing now, the recommendation by the court. Now he's going to enter into the drug treatment program, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So that's why I don't understand why we're doing this.
We scheduled a sentencing date last hearing, but we would, obviously follow the probation officer's recommendation and transfer this over to drug court per our last hearing.
Now, there was some question about the time frame, and I see the recommendation. Let's call the case, this is the city of Detroit versus the Kill. Give me the pronunciation of the first name.
Yes, Your Honor. Julie Gazuli appearing on behalf of the defendant Elkeed Gazuli, who is sitting next to me this morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Elkeed Gazuli, case number U60301621. Now you can put your appearance on the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Julie Gazuli appearing on behalf of the defendant Elkeed Gazuli, who is sitting next to me this morning.
Now, I think it was you were probably talking to my clerk this morning, and it was something that we needed to kind of clear up about this 6 months term of probation. And this is just a recommendation from the
Probation.
probation department. Now, I want your brother to understand that the program is a minimum, I think, of 14 months.
Yes, we spoke to the administrator last hearing, Your Honor, and he is aware that it is a minimum of 14 months.
And Mr. Gazuli, how are you doing?
So.
That doesn't sound good.
He's attempting to do better, Your Honor. He does understand that he has a problem. He's actually looking forward to drug court and bettering his life and living a sober and clean lifestyle.
I mean, just for a young man that's what, 25 years old.
Yep.
When you tell me and I ask you how you're doing, and you, sir, Mr. Osborne, please turn your video. I know you want to look pretty to everybody on the Zoom, on the YouTube, but put your video off when you comb your hair, please. So for a young man to say, I'm doing so, that just leads me to believe that we've moved in the right direction, and my feelings at that time were right, and that you still, but your feelings now are we're on the same page. Let's put it that way, because now I think you're really kind of taking this by the hold of this because you're at least accepting responsibility of this. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, Your Honor. Understood.
I don't know, I hope I won't see you in this capacity in the future.
I hope not, Your Honor.
I know, Ms. Kazuli, but I hope I don't see you in this capacity in the future because you're gonna be passed off to, another judge. But if I do see you somewhere around in the city or in the area, or if you happen to come in front of me for a minor traffic violation, which I doubt, but it could happen. I hope that when I ask you that next time, that you're saying, I'm feeling very good. I'm glad I went through this. And this is something that I needed that time in my life, and I put that part of my life behind me. So that's what I'll say about this. I'm just gonna.
Perkins, he's tough.
Yeah, you should be on her.
I don't think so.
You should call him.
Yeah. All right, what's going on? They want me not to do the paperwork until the trailer. I just put the trailer number on there to print the paperwork out. So the guys can print out. They're complaining that this paperwork say this and this one coming in with this. Yeah. So I need to stop putting trailer numbers on. Yeah, don't put trailer numbers on it. But if I don't, I can't print it to the date. Well, maybe we can tell you what trailers. Hold on, I gotta get on here just in case he's calling my name.
Miss Lincoln, you're gonna have
Yes.
to mute your phone.
I'm sorry. Okay, I thought I did. I'm sorry.
All right, so at this point, we're just gonna send them off, right? I don't know what more I can do with them. Ms. Nash?
Yeah.
Right. I think they have their dates already set. What I'm gonna do is call
Why don't you call them and make sure?
and find out what date.
You're gonna, I tell you, Mr. Kazuli, after reading that report, you got a long road ahead of you, sir.
Your Honor, I have no excuse for what I did and for what happened. Well,
I'm not even looking for that. I don't need to hear that. I'm just telling you, you got a long road ahead. You're gonna have to deal with that. You your family members and their support system, and you're gonna have to deal with that with the next judge that you go to. Because, you know, I'm just gonna send you off to Judge Holmes, and you're gonna have to go through the program. But, I'm just telling you, you got a long road ahead of you.
Yeah, I would have to agree with you, Your Honor. A lot of it is his mental health too, you know, not being in denial. So he started seeing a therapist. He's been taking steps that, you know, we haven't seen as a family at all. So he realizes, like you said, he has a problem, and he is taking necessary steps. And I think the drug court is going to be very helpful, because he can't deny it any longer. He can't, you know, try to fool me, my parents. And a lot of it was, you know, giving him the benefit of the doubt. So I want to thank you for even, you know, considering drug court. And I think that he will really benefit from it. And this is me talking as his sister, not as his attorney right now. So thank you so much for that.
Well, I really feel that, and I'm glad that you guys are supportive of him, because you know, that's what drug addicts do. They lie, they cover up. It's an embarrassing situation too. But this particular drug is one that I've seen throughout my years of life, that it's very, very, very difficult to overcome. You have to be a very strong-willed person. And first that I hear from him is that he's being upfront and honest today, and I appreciate that. And that's a major part of overcoming some kind of what I call a sickness like this. But you know, you're gonna have to be you're gonna have reach deep down inside, sir, and you're gonna have to really search down inside if you want to beat this. You got to be honest to yourself. You got to use your support system. It's you're very lucky to have that situation. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to wait and see exactly, because the sentence will not come from me. The sentence will come from the drug court. But I want to see. Okay, we have a case manager on the line now. Good morning, Mr. Yancey, and Happy New Year to you.
Hey, good morning. Happy New Year.
Okay, we have Mr. Gazuli here that has he's willing and eager to get into this drug program. We have his attorney and / sister on the line as well. And I just want to make sure that the procedure was correct, that I'm following the proper procedure, and that I just allow Judge Holmes to do all of the work from here on. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. The only potential issue is that with drug court, there's a minimum length, minimum term of 12 to 14 months.
Okay.
So he would not be able to do a 6-month sobriety.
I got that, and I think we've already made that understanding. I was wrong in saying that it was a 14-month term, but the minimum is 12-month term, so that's 2 months better. But we won't get caught up on the months and the semantics of that, because really, if you're doing what you're supposed to be doing, then it'll just be a walk in the park for you, sir. It'll move along very quickly. And you'll be able to participate, and I'm sure you'll be able to help some other people in the program if you're doing it. But if you're not, then it's going to be a little while longer, and you won't get the case dismissed if you don't complete it properly. But then there's going to be some other people in the program that you're going to be able to lean on and for some help, you know, along with your family members and stuff like that. So with that being said, I'm just going to, do we have a date for him for this Judge Holmes?
Yes, Your Honor, we have January 13th.
And what do we call that? Is that a sentencing date, or is that what is that? What do they usually describe that as? the
If,
January-
if you sentence him to sobriety court today, then that'll be the date that we'll try to present him to Judge
Okay.
Holmes on the 13th.
Okay,
And I would, and after this, I would like to go, if possible, into a breakout room with the defendant.
okay. All right, we'll do that. I got January 13th. Do you have a time?
That would be 8:30, Your Honor.
8:30. That being said, sir, I wish you the best of luck. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with you and your attorney and Mr. Yancey, and we'll always be here if you your sister knows how to get in contact with us. If you need the court's help in any kind of way, we'll be here to try to assist you as well. All right?
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. No, it's just gonna be, let's just call it a presentation day, right? Yeah, they're gonna present them. I guess that's the jargon that they use in drug treatment.
Oh, I'm gonna have to get a code.
All right, let's go with Christian Gilbert. Oh, well, let me see. What's Mr. Wright Blake? Is Mr. Wright Blake still here?
I'm here, Judge.
All right, who do you have, sir? Good morning to you. Happy New Year.
Same to you, Judge.
All right. What do you have?
I have Mr. Ohanian, Owanis Ohanian. And he's at my office too.
Okay, very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Owanis Ohanian, case number U60068221. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Wright Blake appearing on behalf of Owanis Ohanian, P37259. Mr. Ohanian is present in my office. Could you state your name for the record, sir? What's your name?
I couldn't hear that, sir.
Repeat it. Repeat your name.
My name is AWANEES. First name, last name, OHANYAN.
Now, does he need an interpreter, Mr. Blake?
No, Judge, he's just extremely nervous, which is understandable.
Okay. All right. Well, you're in good hands, sir, so that helps your nerves and
Don't make me.
Thank you, Judge. This is a pre-trial.
oh no, yeah. Let's see. Just making sure Mr. Ohanian doesn't have outstanding.
Get everyone to mute their devices if the judge is not speaking to you on your case.
Okay.
All right. Oh, he doesn't have anything else. Typically, this is gonna be a,
I paid for a ticket
be a,
for 2000, 2001, 2005.
all right, listen. Do you have Mr. Owanis Ohanian's file? OHANYAN. I'm thinking the offer's gonna be a disorderly conduct. I'll fine him $240. And he'll have to take a misdemeanor morality class, and he'll have to take some testing that'll be private to him. We'll just need to show that he's tested. The results will be private to him. So that is what I'm thinking the offer is gonna be. Let me make sure I get this file. Good morning.
Good morning. How
Happy
are
New
you?
Year to
Thank
you.
you, same to you. Good for you. I
Money
started,
green, huh?
that person will be starting it off right.
You got to.
Their attorney is in Rihanna, because they're gonna retain on my.
That's, Mr. Wright, like, he's here.
Oh, he's here, okay. Your Honor, where you doing that? I need to have a little chit chat with you about the case.
Okay.
I just want to make sure that we get it. And
I think we're good. I don't think he has anything else. Let me see what the.
Oh, okay. Here you go now. Yep, that's the only thing he had. Oh, this is it. That's what she wrote. Show that to the jury.
It is disorderly conduct, and I will close it out upon payment of $240 upon completion of a misdemeanor morality class and upon showing that he tested. We'll send him through the probation department just to facilitate that paperwork.
Well, Judge, there may be some immigration implications. I might have to consult with an immigration attorney, so I'd ask the court to set it for either another pretrial or for a bench trial date.
Okay. Let's, you didn't give me any dates. For pre-trial or trial.
Oh my God, Your Honor, I'm so sorry.
All right, so we'll get them that date and give you an opportunity to work it. And that'll be it.
Okay, Judge. I
All right,
appreciate it.
good to see you.
Likewise.
All right. And just sit tight, I'll get you that date in a second.
Yes, sir.
Where's Mr. Gilbert?
February 3rd, Your Honor.
January 3rd? February.
George, I'm
3rd.
here.
It's your pleasure, Mr. Blake, you and your clients, if you want the pretrial date I can give you, it's gonna be February 3rd either, or we could set it for bench trial or pretrial.
We'll take the February 3rd pretrial.
All right, February 3rd. It's gonna be pretrial, and that's gonna be at 8:30.
Judge, will I be able to talk to a city attorney on that date, or should I contact one before?
You could be able to talk to one today if you like. He's just gonna be, he's in another courtroom. And it'll probably be the same situation when you come back, but I can put you in if you give me a second, when he comes in, I can put you in a breakout room, or you can talk to him on that date, whatever you want to do.
I'll do it on that date, Judge.
Very well. All right, I'll see you later, Mr. Blake.
Thank you.
Very nice seeing you. And
Likewise.
Mr. Ohanye, very good seeing you too. We'll see you both back on February 3rd at 8:30.
Yes, sir. Take care.
Mr. Gilbert, I keep saying you're gonna be next. You're gonna be next. Now I'm gonna make it happen, all right?
Good.
All right. This is Christian Gilbert, this is the city of Detroit versus Christian Gilbert. That case number is SP 1171835, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Christian Gilbert.
You're on mute, Mr. Dillard.
Christian Gilbert.
Yeah, I got you. I'm a lawyer.
Attorney Joe Dillard, P37225 on behalf of Mr. Gilbert. I have not had an opportunity to speak with him.
Well, let's say this, Mr. Gilbert, do you have a driver's license, sir?
Well, the Secretary of State just approved me.
Let's just say, I'll put just a yes or no.
No.
Okay, all right. I can put you in a breakout room to speak with them. The offer is failure to display. Let me see what he's got going on here. I see you got the 2 misdemeanors on 3/4/2021. And let's see what this is. Okay. All right, so you're saying about the Secretary of State, sir, what's going on with them?
Yeah, Judge, I had got my license November of last year, and then after like 2 weeks, the notice was so short they suspended them, and I ended up racking up more tickets. I handle all my tickets in the other cities that I racked up tickets in, and now the Secretary of State approved me for a driver's license. Now I just have to wait till the 14th to go get them.
Come back, what is it, February 3rd?
Yeah.
2022, 8:30 a.m. Do you have registration? Do you have insurance on this vehicle?
Yeah. I don't have. Actually, I don't have that vehicle anymore. I have different vehicles now.
All right, bring a registration and insurance next time.
Sure.
Run his driver's license, please.
Yeah.
You're gonna keep on racking up tickets if you keep on speeding like this, sir.
Yeah, Judge, I put a plan together with my mom. She's going to keep the insurance for me, and I just take care of my license from here on out.
No, I'm not talking about insurance. I'm talking about you're gonna keep on racking up tickets if you keep on speeding.
Oh,
That's what it seems to get you, keep pulling over your lead foot. So you need to slow down. Go get your license on the 14th, come back on February 3rd with the license and insurance. You understand me?
Yes, Judge.
All right, have a good day, sir.
You as well.
I'll see you February 3rd. This is, we're gonna wait on you, Ms. Javon, until the city attorney comes back. Ms. Lincoln, we need to offer. Do you have a license, ma'am? Run her driver's license, please. Thank you. Ms. Lincoln, Karen Lynn Lincoln.
Okay, John, thank you.
This is the state of Michigan versus Karen Lynn Lincoln, case number SX 385-3856, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Dillard, P 37225, on behalf of Ms. Lincoln. I have not had an opportunity to speak with her Ms. Lincoln, state your name for the record.
Karen Lincoln.
Well, she too, it says she too has a lead foot. Do you have a driver's license, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I got all that taken care of.
Our license is valid.
I got everything taken care of right away, right after that ticket. And you said if I got everything done, you would just dismiss it the next time if I didn't get pulled over anymore, the last hearing.
I said that?
Yes, sir.
I don't recall, I didn't have a note here saying that.
That's what I remember you saying, because I was excited that you said that. I was like, wow, that's great.
Is this a, I don't know why I wouldn't write that in the file.
I don't know.
I'm sure you don't. You want to dismiss, don't you?
Well, of course, I didn't expect that when you said that, to tell you the truth. I was shocked when you said it. But I, very thankful, but.
Now, listen, if you come back in here again with this speeding like this again, then I'm not gonna give you any break next time, all right?
Yes, sir.
You're gonna eat the points and everything. So. And she might be pulling a fast one on me.
I'm telling you, I swear, as God is my witness.
Might be pulling a fast one on me.
I'm not, I promise you. I promise you, sir.
I usually remember, but she got a valid driver's license, so that is the major thing. Let me see. Let me see if Ms. Lincoln's pulling the fast one.
Go ahead.
All right. All right. I'm going to dismiss both of the cases. And I will not do this. I will remember you next time too.
I promise you there won't be a next time, sir.
Okay, Ms. Lincoln.
I'm behaving. I'm too old to get in trouble.
Are you still getting in trouble?
I said, I'm too old to get in trouble. I'm done.
Nobody's too old to get in trouble now.
No more lead foot for me.
All right.
Okay,
have
sir.
a happy New Year, ma'am, and have a great day. I'll dismiss both the cases.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, what's Ms. Laws doing in here?
Good morning. I received a review notice, so I didn't know if I was supposed to appear or not. I wasn't sure. I did on the 9th, December the 9th.
All right. All right, Ms. Laws, you're free to leave. Thank you. Have a very happy New Year, all right?
You as well. Thank you.
Where's the thing? There. Ms. Jim. Man, run her, she has, run her driver's license, please. She has a valid driver's license. She took advantage of the offer to go pay the reinstatement fee. So, I just want to look at it. Let us try out. Ms. Nash?
Yes, sir.
Here, Mrs. Jim, run her driver's license.
Okay.
Okay. City of Detroit versus Jerlene Leak, case number SP 1174880, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Joseph Dillard.
Good morning, Ms. Alcindor.
Good morning.
I thought I acknowledged.
Good morning,
you
Your
earlier, but I don't know if you heard me or not. All right, Ms. Leak, you have this defective equipment. Do you have insurance now?
I'm currently not driving the vehicle.
Do you have a vehicle?
I'm not driving it. I haven't been driving it.
That's what they all say.
Seriously, it's in my garage.
All right, she's valid.
I haven't been working, so there was no need to drive.
Are you working now?
Yes, I just started a job last week.
Can you pay $120 now?
Not today. I can pay it tomorrow before 5.
Counselor, defective equipment will dismiss the no insurance misdemeanor $120.
Can I pay it tomorrow?
Yes. Yes, you may.
Thank you, Your Honor. Yes, I'll take that.
What was wrong with the car?
He said that my headlight was out, but I didn't need a headlight during that time. It was 6:45 in the morning.
Well, I'm not gonna get into all that. Are you gonna, do you want to dismiss this for her? All right. This is gonna be a very early Christmas present. All right?
Okay.
We're gonna dismiss both of them, all right?
Oh, thanks a lot.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Do you have a driver's license, ma'am?
Yes, I do have a driver's license.
Let's close out this 2013 ticket. Right on there. Okay. I'm gonna dismiss both of them, all right? Have a
Thank you,
great
Your
day,
Honor.
ma'am.
I do the same. Thank you very much.
You're very much welcome. Congratulations on your new job.
Thank you a lot. Have a good day.
All right, you as well.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well,
Oh
Mr.
my God,
Lee,
that was quickly. How you get out this class?
where is Mr. Lee Little? Where's Mr. Lee Little's file? Mr. Lee Little is on the phone. Well, is that him on the phone? Press *6 on the phone. I don't think that's him. Press *6 if you're on the phone to unmute yourself. On the telephone, press *6 to unmute yourself. All right. Let's go to the next person. And Mrs. Aisha Lewis. Sorry. This is the city of Detroit versus Aisha Lashon Lewis, case number strike that. Case numbers 217-29701, counts 1 and counts 2. Parents for a record, please.
Joseph Dillard, on behalf of Ms. Lewis, I have not had an opportunity to speak with.
All right, Mr. Dillard, you're having all the fun today. You're not giving Miss Alcindor any time to have no fun.
Oh, I'll step aside for a minute, John. I have no problem.
All right, we'll just do this one. And all right, Mrs. Lewis, you're unmuted.
Yes, I am.
What? Ms. Lewis,
Yes,
do you have a driver's license, ma'am?
yes, I do.
Run our license, please. Thank you. Miss Aisha Lashon. This case has Sean written all over it. Your middle name has Sean in it. The officer's first name is Sean. My first name is Sean. Man, you got a very good driving record. Talking about me.
Yeah.
All right. What about insurance on that vehicle?
Do I have insurance? I don't have to get some, sir.
Are you still driving it now?
Unfortunately, I have to go to work every day.
All right, I'm gonna set this for February 3rd. Bring some insurance back and I'm gonna dismiss the cases, all right?
Okay, I will. Thank you.
All right, February 3rd, I'm gonna set it for a pretrial, February 3rd. And I'm writing this down.
Okay.
Thank you, Yana.
So you're gonna take that $240 and get you some insurance.
Yes, thank you.
All right, I'll see
I
you back
appreciate it so much.
February 3rd
All right.
at 8:30 a.m., ma'am.
I will be here. Thank you.
Very well.
Mhm.
All right. Now let's go back to Mrs. Javon. You there, ma'am?
Yes, I'm here.
And you took the Michigan Defensive Driving course as well?
Yes.
Did you send me proof of that?
I don't know how it's supposed to send proof to you. At the end of it, they tell you they send it to you, my score and everything.
Yeah, that's not, I'm probably not on their list.
You want me to screenshot it and send it to you?
Please, ma'am. I want you to email it to me if you can. I'll put my email address in the chat.
Okay.
All right, this is case number 210.
All right, that's in the chat. All right, Counselor, I'm gonna go back to the city attorney. He did provide an offer of improper plates, $240 fine. I'll dismiss that immediately upon payment of the $240 fine. And then limited access 70 and 60. That's a 1-point offense, but I don't. I see that we offered her the defensive driving course, and she indicates that she completed that. Also, I see she's paid a related civil infraction on one of the cases. So we're going to see what the city attorney has to say about that, because that's his thing, sending people to the Michigan Intensive Driving Course, and if that's the relief that he's offering, then that will be that. But I think it would be worth a second to ask that question. So again, I'm going to set it aside one more time, Mr. Devine, just to make sure, and we'll see what he says about that. All right.
All right.
All right. Is that Mr. Lee? Mr. Lee Little?
Yeah, just him.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Lee Jerome Little, case number U59365221. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am House Lindor, House Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. Little.
Do you have the files? Ms. Alcindor?
No. I do have the docket.
Okay. You don't have the offers or anything?
No, I have the offers and the docket, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
So you have the file? Well, I mean, that's
Yes.
that. All right. So this is a pretty simple. The offer for this case is going to be pleading to the amended count of disorderly conduct. They'll get a misdemeanor morality class and a testing for HIV STD testing. And he will, I'll close it out upon proof of that and payment. He has a right to a trial, and he has a right to speak with you in a breakout room if you like. You want to speak with the lawyer, Mr. Little?
Yes.
All right, very well. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. All right, let's move on since we got two lawyers. Marcus Osborne.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
You got all tight?
Yes.
All right, all right. You got your waves in order?
Sir.
All right. Let's see. All right, this is the city of Detroit. I see one ticket here happened during the pandemic. I will set that default aside for your client, Mr. Diller. He's got, okay, these matters are up today. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get my message? Yeah. Ms. Javant? Is she there? All right, let's deal with Mr. Little here.
Yeah, I was trying to send my test scores to you.
Okay, continue to do that. I'm waiting on those. I got the city attorney here.
Well, I sent it to you. You check your email.
Hasn't come yet. All right, I'll let you know when I get it. All right, so let's call the case. This is the state of Michigan and the city of Detroit versus Marcus D'Angelo Osborne, case number SX 3738605, counts 1, 2, and 3, and U5981521. Appearance for the record, please.
Marcus Osborne.
Joseph Dillard, P37225, on behalf of Mr. Osborne. The date being an arraignment on the bench warrant. My clients, it's been indicated that the court is going to set aside those bench warrants.
Yeah, I'm going to set aside the bench warrant. I'm also going to set aside the civil infraction, state civil infraction of no proof of insurance, so he can be heard on that.
Thank you, Anna.
You also have a defective equipment ticket, sir, that you got. That's a default judgment entered into on that. And that, I don't know why aren't you taking care of these things or setting dates for them? but you're gonna have to start. I'm gonna give you some relief today. At least first, I'm gonna set aside the default on that as well,
Thank you, Your Honor.
and then we'll deal with them. So I don't have an offer in the file for him. The alcohol-related violation matter is probably the more serious matter. This is the ones that they don't really give you much relief on. You can set a trial date and we can deal with it on that date, or we can wait on an offer from the city attorney. And we will combine these matters together and get you a global offer, because the 3 cases are state cases and the other 2 cases are city cases. So what do you want to do? You want to speak with your lawyer or what? So do you have a driver's license?
No, sir, it's expired.
Why don't you get it? Why don't you, what's wrong with getting a driver's license?
Nothing. I just gotta take care of the tickets first. I went to the Secretary of State. They say pay the tickets first and then worry about reinstating the license.
This is Marcus D'Angelo Osborne. How many do you have tickets in other jurisdictions, sir?
I had a ticket in Oak Park, 1 traffic ticket.
And what else?
The rest of them was in the city for suspended license and no insurance.
Mr. Lester.
Yes.
I don't see you on the docket. What brings you in today?
Yeah, I thought, well, this paper says it was 1/4/22, but I might be wrong. I don't know. I'm just trying to make sure I'm on top of things.
All right, let's see. What's your middle name, sir?
Christopher. I'm also junior though, just in case you see any other
What's your date
ones
of
that
birth?
6/26/87.
You got a pretrial for 1/10/2022 in Austin Garrett's court. What is your case numbers on? I see you here.
You said what is my case
That's
number?
your dad, Christopher Damon Lester?
Yeah, that's my dad. What is 78 or something like that?
72.
72. Yeah, that's my dad, but my dad deceased though.
Sorry about that, Art.
No problem. Yeah, that's why I specified the junior, because I know you probably would have saw my dad name up there. But you said my proceeding is scheduled for the 10th?
You have a court date on the 10th in Austin Garrett's court.
Oh, okay.
This is
10.
this is
You're Perkins, right?
Ticket number do you have there in front of you?
It wasn't a ticket. Hold on, I'm about to give you the bond. I got the bond receipt. The bond receipt number.
Give me a case number.
Give me 2 seconds. Cause I don't have a case number on these papers that I got from them because I had to go turn myself in. So
You're supposed to be back in here on July the 1st.
On July the
2022 at 8:45, that we could possibly get that heard earlier than that, can we, Ms. Nash? Lester, Damon, Christopher Jr., birthday, 6/26/1987. How long has your dad been deceased?
My dad been dead since 2015.
All right. Okay, let's set this aside. And let's go back to Mr. Little. Let's set that matter aside. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee Jerome Little. I've given you an opportunity, sir. I don't know if he's come out of that room. He has. I guess he's probably hung up again. Yeah, he's gone. All right. That's going to be kind of a reoccurring thing. All right, I'll check some more people in right quick. I got Aisha, Grant.
Yes, I'm here, Judge.
All right. Miss Latanya Gay.
Yes.
You unmuted.
It is not on the docket. Okay. All right. Let's go back with Mr. Osborne then. So Mr. Osborne.
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't know. They said you ain't saying anything.
I did.
Tanya Gay.
Yes.
Can you mute yourself, please?
Tanya.
I need you to mute yourself.
Muting.
I'll mute you. There you go. All right. Now is that Mr. Little again?
Yeah, this him. I was calling my attorney.
Keep it up, sir.
What? My attorney? Hello?
Right. Ms. Elcindra, you've already spoken with Mr. Little?
Yes, Your Honor, and he'd like to set his matter for a bench trial.
All right.
But I want to change my mind because I want to get over with because I don't want to be going through all this crap for something that ain't worth my time.
Wait a minute. First of all, you're not going to talk like that in my courtroom, all right?
Oh, I'm just talking to the attorney. I thought it was quiet.
No, you're not going to talk to anybody like that in my courtroom, all right?
Okay, sorry, Your Honor.
You got yourself in
sorry,
this
Your Honor.
crap.
I didn't mean that. I was just talking to myself, and I shouldn't have said that. Okay?
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee Little.
Yes.
I've given you an opportunity to speak with the lawyer in the breakout room. And
okay.
Your lawyer indicates that you want to set this matter for a bench trial. Correct?
that's why I didn't want to go through it. So I wanted to talk to her, but the phone and the bit thing hung up on, so I can say I would change my mind. I can have opportunity privately to say I changed my mind.
Come back on February 3rd, sir, 2022. February 3rd, 2022 at 9 a.m., all right?
Talk to me?
Yes.
Oh, I said I always want to go through the thing, get my thing over with.
February 3rd, sir, 2022 at 9 a.m.
All the same thing.
Same thing.
Okay, that's what you want me to do.
I want you to come back on February 3rd, 2022 at 9 a.m., all right?
That's what I'll do, sir.
All right, have a great day, sir. I'll see you back then.
Okay.
I hear you.
Who's on the iPhone?
Hello?
Lamont Gordon.
Lamont Gordon, all right, you're gonna have to keep quiet, sir. We hear all your conversation in the background.
Okay, I'm muted.
All right, thank you. All right. I got Latoya Gilbert.
Yes. Hello?
Oh. Then what's Miss Latanya Gay? Yeah, we have Mr. Osborne. So here, we need an offer for Mr. Osborne. All right, so what do you want to do with Mrs. You wanted to have the podium to display and all the other stuff? You want to do it in private place and lots of times? Well, she still haven't. Ms. Gavin, I still don't have your I still don't have your certificate.
I sent it through your email like you asked me to. I got it straight from the chat and sent it to you.
Hey, ma'am, don't get all indignant about it. I'm trying to.
I'm not indignant about it. I'm just saying I sent it to you.
And I haven't gotten it yet. That's what I just said. I mean, I'm just trying to tell you. I haven't gotten it yet.
Was my name skipped up?
Did you copy and paste that email address down just like it is? All right, where are we now? Do we have something waiting? Mr. Osborne, I'm waiting on your offer.
You know, a lot of these state.
Yeah, I know.
Only have one for them. That'd be a 3-month delay.
3-month delay?
Yep.
Okay. All right, Mr. Osborne.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please. All right. Let's call this cases. I don't believe we called the cases yet.
For Marcus Osborne, Your Honor?
Yeah.
We did.
We did call them?
Yes.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Who's that?
Vertoya Gilbert. I heard y'all call my name, but no.
I called your
Nope.
name, I got you checked in, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, so Mr. Osborne, you don't have a driver's license yet, sir. You come back, I don't see what the issue is for you why you don't have a license. Except for the fact that it just doesn't seem like you went and tried to go get it again. So I'm gonna set you for February 3rd as well. Bring a driver's license in here. Are you driving?
Your Honor, they told me I'm not able to do anything with my license until I deal with the tickets.
No, oh, I know why. I see why. All right. What we're gonna do for him. Oh, I see. See why. All right. I'm going to allow you, sir, to pay the reinstatement fees up front. Let's do this. Ms. Nash, can we go into the system?
Yes.
SX 373-86053. Let's waive the late fees and reinstatement fees.
Your Honor, what was that? What was that ticket number, Your Honor?
That's SX 373-86053.
373.
86053.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's go to, whenever you're ready, Ms. Nash. 217-280-361. Let's waive the late fees and reinstatement fees on that. February 3rd. All right, sir, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna allow you to pay your reinstatement fees up front. You got 2 reinstatement fees on these other 2 state tickets. I've waived one of them, and I've got you down to the original cost of that ticket. We set aside the defaults on both of those civil infractions. And that's $90 in total. That's 2 $45 fees. You're gonna have to come down to the court sometime this week, pay those reinstatement fees up front. Bring $90 in.
Yes, Your Honor.
That way you're gonna be eligible to get a license. I'm gonna set this matter for a pretrial. Should just set it for a trial. He's got the driver's license. These are state tickets, and then he's got the alcohol-related violation. All right, we're going to set it for a bench trial. We're going to set it for a bench trial, February 3rd, 2022 at 9 a.m. With that, you're gonna go come down here, and you got $90, sir?
Not at the moment. I can make it though.
When can you make it?
I got a job interview after this.
You gotta go borrow this money from somebody. Get this money in here this week.
Yes, Your Honor.
That way you can get your driver's license, and when you come back here for this trial date on February 3rd, 2022, Mr. Dillard or Ms. Alcindor or whoever here can help you. You understand me, sir? How old are you?
31.
You know how to get $90.
Yes.
All right. We'll do that. We'll set it for a bench trial. Pay reinstatement fees up front on the two matters that are there. And that should clear you up. That should get you, first of all, to get a driver's license, all right?
Yes.
And if you have insurance and registration, you need to bring that on that date as well, okay?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, I'll see you back on on February 3rd, 2022 at 9 a.m., all right?
All right, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day. All right, Ms. Devine, are you there? I still haven't received that email yet.
Yes, I'm here.
Did you try to resend that information, ma'am?
I resent it 4 times.
I don't know what's wrong with it.
Me neither.
Mr. Grant has provided some possible relief. All right, let's do what Mr. Grant says. What's your email address, ma'am?
GIVAN2Ts88@gmail.com. Where was it? Let's see, where was that?
All right, I sent you a message. Thank you, Mr. Grant. You can reply with that and attach that certificate to that message, see if that works better.
I can attach the screenshot to you because that's all they let me do is screenshot.
Mr. Elijah Grant.
Yes, I'm here, Judge.
Did you do the community service, sir?
I started, but I spoke with Ms. Green and she told me to ask for an adjournment. I had COVID and my son had COVID, so I wasn't able to go back with the holiday schedule they had before today.
All right,
So
when will you have it completed?
I'm about halfway finished. I have to finish today as I start back working Monday. Well, I had to finish this week to start back working Monday. I won't have time.
Have your driver's license, sir?
I'm in the process of appealing it with the Secretary of State. I have an interlock in my car, so it's a different process outside of this. This was one of the reasons why I had to wait, but
You have an interlock car, but that doesn't have anything to do with getting your driver. Well, it may have something to do with getting your driver.
It does. This and a violation on there. I had to wait till December 21st of this past year to appeal, and I'm in the appeal process with a separate attorney.
All right, when can you have this? When can you have this done? This is let's call the cases. This is the city of Detroit versus Elijah Deshawn Grant, case number SP 100129991. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ayana Alcindor appearing on behalf of Mr. Grant.
All right, Ms. Alcindor, this case was before me last year, obviously, and it was amended to allowing, he was supposed to do 18 hours of community service. I have dismissed allowing upon completion and waive reinstatement fees. Indicated on the record that he had COVID, his son had COVID, wasn't able to complete the hours. He's halfway done. He wants some more time. How much more time do you need, sir?
I can come back and see you Monday if you're you have a question, but the next time you have it, by the end of this week, I'll be finished. Sure.
Well, you give me a date and I'm gonna put it down for that date.
One more calendar. Can we do you do next the 11th? Is the 11th cool?
The 11th of January.
Yes, sir. It's next Tuesday.
2022. Set it for a review at 25 a.m.
Okay, and you said 8:25 or 9:25?
8:25.
Okay, have my information faxed over to Ms. Green in probation office or bring it to court?
Yes, make sure all of that's done before you come in.
Okay.
All right, very well.
Have a good morning.
Morning to you as well. See you next week. All right. Lamont Gordon.
Yes, I'm here. My camera.
Let me sign out. What's Miss Latanya Gay doing in here?
Lamont Gordon's in the room.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Lamont Michelle Gordon, case number U55877-120. Here's for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ayana Alcindor, House Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. Gordon. Mr. Gordon, can you state your full name for the court?
Lamont Quinzel Gordon.
All right, you got this failure to stop ticket out here from 2016. Mr. Gordon, do you ever plan on getting a license?
Yes, sir. That's why I'm trying to get all my business taken care of.
You've got all these reinstatement fees.
I came down to the courthouse 2 weeks ago and paid what they had me to pay. And they told me I had a court date. I can't pay on this one ticket. I had to go to court.
No, you could have paid these reinstatement fees.
I did. I came down there. I paid $100 and some dollars on my tickets. On everything they had to pay.
You gotta have way more than that, sir. So first and foremost, let's go to let's deal with this failure to stop ticket.
I was on here for disorderly conduct, not a ticket.
Are you gonna tell me, sir?
No, sir.
Okay, I'm trying to help you out, all right? You say you want
Yes,
to get a
sir.
driver's license, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, Ms. Nash, let's go to, 1/6. What's your date of birth?
9/18/70.
Okay. Let's go to, 1627-63401. This way, late being reinstated. All right, this old failure to stop ticket is $210 now. I'm saving you, it's $130 now. I just saved you $80 on that ticket, sir. So what date are you gonna have that paid by?
Excuse me, can I ask you a question?
You're gonna answer my question first. What date can you have that failure to stop ticket paid by?
How much is it?
$130 now. I just reduced it from 210 to 130.
Oh, I can pay that by next week.
Give him the February 3rd. This other ticket, the disorderly conduct, it's gonna be $240. I'll dismiss it upon payment of the $240. You have an absolute right to a trial, and you can speak with the lawyer regarding it if you'd like.
Repeat that again for me, sir.
You have disorderly conduct. I will fine you. If you want to plead guilty today, I'll dismiss immediately upon payment of the $240. Or you can set a trial date and fight the ticket if you like. Or you can speak with the House Counsel and get some advice on what you should do.
Okay, I can speak to the House Counsel.
Yes. All right. Who's taking care of this case?
I am, Your Honor.
All right. All right, join the room, sir. What did he do with Buster? He didn't write anything in. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Christopher Lester, case number 214-161871. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Dillard.
All right, I know you don't have anything on this. Wait a minute. Yeah, I know you don't have anything on this, Mr. Dillard. This is a no registration ticket. Mr. Lester, are you there?
Yes.
All right. Well, do you have registration for this 2018?
Yes. Dash, the Durango, yes, I had it. Yes, it was a fault with the place. I had just bought it, and they
Do
didn't
you
switch
have
the registration
registration
on.
now, sir?
Yeah, yes.
Well, can you show it? You need to put your camera on. Can you show it to us?
Yep. Hold on 1 second. Let me turn my camera on. Give me 1 second.
Yeah,
Yes.
could I have that ticket number?
The ticket number is 214-161871.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And I'm advising Mr. Lester on ticket 210-445-7101 that he needs to be in Judge Austin Garrett's courtroom on.
All right.
You should know this.
I got the registration right here.
On Monday, the 10th.
Okay. That's what I was getting confused. I thought it was 10 o'clock today.
No, it's Monday the 10th at 9 a.m. All right. But you do have this other ticket. We're going to take care of this now. And you don't have to worry about that other ticket. Cool. Show me the registration, sir.
I got you. I'm about to flip my camera over. Hold on. Okay. Can you see it?
A certificate of insurance. Let's turn it back over. You spun it around. You had it right up right the first. There you go. What is that vehicle? Let me see the vehicle. Okay. 665. All right, I'm going to dismiss this matter.
Yes.
And you have the other.
Write that down, the other matter, so I won't be confused.
Excuse me. It's Tamisha Javon talking, Mr. Perkins. Did you get it?
No, I still haven't gotten it.
Oh my God.
Still haven't gotten it. So that's I'm going to dismiss this matter. You hand me that oral, please. You provided the valid documentation, and so I'll dismiss this matter. I'll waive the warrant fee.
Oh Jesus! It was a warrant for it.
Yeah, I guess so.
Shit.
All right,
excuse
sir,
my
we
language.
don't need that kind of language in here.
Yeah, excuse my language. I apologize.
Okay, and then I advised them on the other court date on 1/10/2022 in front of Austin Garrett. Do you need that Zoom number, sir?
Please, so I won't make sure I'm not late or whatnot. And what time again?
At 9 a.m. A Zoom number is 360-338-0000.
Okay. Got it.
If it's nothing further, sir, have a safe and happy holiday. I mean, what am I talking about? I'm all the way back.
Yeah.
I wish I could do that New Year's and Christmas.
Yeah. Okay. Definitely.
All right. Have a good luck.
I appreciate you. So yeah, I'm good with the other one, right?
You're good.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you, Your Honor.
All right.
All right. Y'all have a good day.
You as well. All right, we were with Mr. Gordon.
Yes. Hello?
Okay. All right, so we're back on the record that we did call the cases. We're back on the record with Mr. Lamont Gordon. I've given you an opportunity to speak with the lawyer in the breakout room. And what does your client understand what's going on?
Yes, Your Honor, and he'd like to avail himself of the offer. But he'd also like to check to see if he could apply his bond to any fines and costs for today.
Oh, he can definitely do that. I was gonna give him an opportunity to set a trial date and come back if he wants to.
He's eager to resolve these matters, Your Honor.
Okay. Does he understand what I did for him on the other ticket?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So, where are you, sir?
Yes, I'm here.
You don't have a camera?
No, my camera is broke, sir. Screen cracked.
Why does it prevent your camera from working? All right.
It's hard out here.
I don't need to hear that, sir. Sometimes we make it hard on ourselves.
Yes, we do.
And with you know, when I look at this, you talk about it being hard. You've been in the system and continually in the system for a long time.
For a long time, yes, I'm trying to get myself right.
I don't know why you just can't do it.
Trying now. I have a court date tomorrow with Harper Woods. I'm trying to get everything situated.
Everybody's got a hard time, but you make it hard on yourself. So, all right, let's go with that. Sir, you want to take this deal or you want to set a trial date?
I told my lawyer I'll take the deal. I'm trying to get a job, trying to hurry up, get this over with.
All right. All right, can you raise your right hand, please, sir?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
What is this?
This is for the disorderly conduct.
I thought we came to agreement we was gonna pay for it.
I'm asking you a question. Did you understand the question, sir?
No, can you repeat that question, please?
I said, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
And that offer, again, I'll repeat it, is to plead straight up to the disorderly conduct, pay $240. I'll dismiss the matter immediately upon payment of the $240.
Yes.
All right. Has anybody offered you anything other than what I just stated?
No.
All right, sir, let me draw your attention back to February 29th, 2020 at around 1:25 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Van Dyke and Brentwood, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit police officer?
Yes.
And were you outside in the public, urinating in public, sir?
No.
All right, trial date, February 3rd, 2022 at 9 a.m. All right, I'll see you back on that day.
You say what day?
February 3rd, 2022 at 9 a.m. And then I'm giving you till that date to pay that failure to stop ticket, $130. All right?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you back on that day, sir. Have a great day.
Can I ask you a question, sir?
Yes.
What about the money I already paid?
As far as the bond is concerned,
yes.
That bond will be continued until we get a resolution on the date. Let me see where that bond. All right, I don't see any bond here for this ticket. I don't see any bond. What I do see is I see all of Mr. Gordon's cases are closed, with the exception of that failure to stop ticket. That's still open. That's $130. So possibly, sir, you paid the tickets off, but you didn't pay the reinstatement fee for any of the tickets. That makes the cases closed as far as we're concerned. But what you have to concern yourself with is each one of those $45 reinstatement fees. I got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, at least 16 reinstatement fees at $45 a piece. So you have to concern yourself with that in order to get a driver's license with the Secretary of State. I don't see any bond that's posted on any of these tickets. So potentially that's from the money that you spent was to paying for the tickets.
Okay, my balance is $370. They need that in, so okay.
It should be more. I don't know if it's that. I don't know the calculation on that, but I know that I'm giving you till February 3rd to pay that $130. All right.
Yeah.
All right. I'll see you back on February 3rd.
Okay.
At 9 a.m.
The same Zoom?
Same Zoom. All right, Ms. Gilbert. Well, let's see what what's Ms. Gay doing? All right, Ms. Gay, what, can you unmute yourself, please, ma'am? Ms. Gay, what brings you here today?
You told me you wanted to see me back on this date.
Well, I see you didn't pay what I asked you to pay.
I've been sick. I haven't been able to do anything. Seriously sick.
I'm sorry to hear that. Are you any better now?
No, I'm going to the hospital after I leave the court. I don't know what happened, but I'm really sick. I meant to pay, but I couldn't at the time.
You have another court date set for. You have another court date set for March the 21st at 1:30. So I'm gonna set this other matters over until then. Hopefully you're feeling better by then, all right?
Okay.
All right, you got that? March the 21st at 1:30.
Okay.
All right, good luck to you. I hope you're feeling better by then, Miss Gay. Have a great day.
Thank you.
All right.
Your Honor, could I have the ticket number for that case?
Yes. The ticket number is going to be, there's two ticket numbers, SP 11805524, counts 1 and counts 3.
I apologize, I don't write as fast as you talk.
I'm sorry.
SP 118.
0524, counts 1 and counts 3. And then the other case is the SP 123-89651. That's scheduled for arraignment on the 21st of March. All right. Is there some kind of way, Ms. Javant, that you can go back in that system and print out that and send that straight to me from the system? I don't know if she's still there.
I'm not gonna be able to get it for you until 2 weeks because I'm tested positive with COVID. So I'm sitting in the house. So I'm still not gonna be able to get. That's why I've been trying to send it to you. You sent me the link on my email, and I sent it right back to you twice.
I got you, but it hasn't come to me. Maybe that file is too big, or something's going on with that file.
No, maybe it's just a lot going on, and you just gonna get it at the end when you shut everything down.
I don't know now. Do you want to come back?
Yeah, I do want to come back. Or yeah, I mean, or what can we do about this ticket? Because I paid $300 for a bond. I can't keep coming back to court because I can't keep missing work. Like I'm supposed to be at work 2 hours ago, and I did everything you asked me to do.
Listen, ma'am, don't get your tone of voice is not sitting right. All right. I haven't done anything to you but try to help you. So don't you need to. I don't know. I just don't like that tone of voice. All right. Now, I told you you take the class. I'll let you pay the reinstatement fees. You got a driver's license. You can zoom in from work if you have to. I didn't say you had to miss work. You can zoom in from work if you have to, but I got to get that proof.
I can't zoom in from work when I drive cars. I drive cars for a living.
All right, I don't know what you're gonna do, man.
Okay, just set another court date for February 30th, 22nd for 2022.
Here. We'll get it over with like this. We'll get it over like this. Let's get it over with like this. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Tamisha Javant. Case number SP 101-3696, count one. SP 101-36963. SP 101-36971. SP 116105. Strike that. SP 1161065, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SP 11610681. Appearance for the record, please.
I guess that'll be me, Your Honor, Dillard, Attorney Joseph Dillard.
All right, here the offer for her is just gonna be improper plates, $240. I'll dismiss immediately upon payment of the $240 and a limited access, 70 to 60 limited access for the speeding ticket. I'll fine her $135 for that. She has a right to a trial. I'll dismiss the other cases upon stipulation of probable cause.
Improper plate, 240, dismissed upon payment, is that correct?
Yes.
Limited access in place of a speeding with $135 fine on that, and she's given notice of a right to a trial.
Yes.
Okay. Your Honor, may I have a brief, very brief breakout with her?
Yeah, I'm sure it's gonna be brief for her. I tried to save her some points, but she wants to get it over with. She's got a little attitude. It seems like and somebody. All right. Join the breakout room now. All right. Let's go with Gilbert. What's all that noise? All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Bertoya Benita Gilbert, case number SP 1154819, count 1, and SP 1191955. Appearance for the record, please.
Ayana Alcindor, House Counsel, appearing on behalf of Ms. Gilbert. Ms. Gilbert, can you state your full name for the court?
Bertoya Benita Gilbert.
All right, what I'm gonna do for you, Ms. Gilbert, is I'm gonna dismiss both of these cases, all right?
Yes.
I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. You paid related civil infractions on both of them.
Yes, and obtain my license.
Very good, ma'am. I appreciate your patience. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee and you should be good to go.
Thank you so much.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
All right, who's that Shanti's iPhone?
Yes, sir.
How are you, ma'am? What's your name?
Shantice Williams.
Whoa, you're not supposed to be in here, are you?
Yes, I do. I
You
had
are?
you at 8:45. They gave me the wrong Zoom link.
Do you have another last name? Oh, Lee Williams.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
There, that makes it a little better.
I'm sorry about that.
I'm only supposed to have G, L, and O last names. So when I see just Williams, I'm thinking there's something going on, but sometimes I do get different.
Okay.
Okay. see what we have here. All right, let's call the cases. This is the City of Detroit versus Shantice Lee Williams, case number SP 1212978. SP 1217406, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 3944561 and SP 3944562. SP 7964761. Appearance for the record, please.
Ayana Alcindor, House Counsel, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Can you please state your name for the court, ma'am?
Shantice Lee Williams.
You took the Michigan Defensive Driving course, ma'am?
I tried to take it, Judge, but I didn't, it's my fault. I did not know there's a certain time that you have to be on because I was working in the process. And so I stopped and went back and it wouldn't let me back in.
Did you pay for the course?
I didn't know that. I thought I could, have my time, to go back and do it. I did not know it was time.
I thought you should be able to too. I don't know what happened.
It kicked me out. I tried several times and it said, no, your session has ended. I'm like, oh my God, I didn't know what to do.
All right, I think we were offering this course because you had the 16 to 20 over and you paid it. So basically you got the 4 points on your driver's license. Also,
and I also tried to email you, Judge, and let you know that it wouldn't let me get back in. I don't know what happened, but I felt that's the only thing I could probably do was to email you.
did you email me?
Yes, I did. I emailed when the day that I was in Zoom with you, you put the link, your email at the bottom of in the chat screen. And so you told me to screenshot it and I did that. So I just took it upon like, well, let me see if he can get the email just to let him know ahead of time that I couldn't, it wouldn't let me finish.
What name would that have come under?
My email, shanticew@gmail.com.
I had that email from back on October 25th.
Yes. Yeah.
All right, so you need a driver's license, don't you, ma'am?
Yes, I do. And I'm trying, Judge. I'm trying.
So what we're gonna do,
I only have one matter that I'm trying to get situated. And after that, I'll be free.
and what's that matter?
Highland Park. I called and asked if I can get a court date, to reduce the amount. And they said, no, I just had to pay, the full amount to get a court date. So I'm like, well, I just might as well pay the whole fee. So I just have $700 left off of that and I'll be free.
Well, what I'm gonna do for your client today is I'm gonna allow her to pay the reinstatement fees up front. That's $135 total. I'm gonna, for the default judgment, I'm gonna set aside the default. I'm gonna waive the late fee, and the reinstatement for those.
Okay. Judge, I have a question. I'm sorry. Before I started getting the court dates with you, I had to pay $500 to get a court, and the lady said that any of that will go towards any fees. So would that go towards it? Just a question, because it's still sitting down there.
Yeah, it's gonna go toward whatever outcome that we have.
Okay.
Yes, you have 200 on that one. You have another 100 on that one. And another 200 on that one. So you have 500 sitting here.
Okay.
But what I'm gonna do is, do you have another $135 on you? So I'm gonna explain it to you. If you pay this $135 today, or come down to the court and pay this $135 for these reinstatement fees, that'll get you clearances. Now, you're gonna have to pay these reinstatement fees regardless. You're gonna have to pay the reinstatement fees. If I dismiss the case, you're gonna have to pay the reinstatement fees. Or if you get found guilty on everything, you're gonna have to pay the reinstatement fees. So I'm giving you an opportunity to pay these reinstatement fees up front. And then I'm giving you an opportunity to go back into that class to see what you can do about that defensive driving class. And we'll set this a date for 60 days out. That way, once you get the Highland Park taken care of, you'll have a driver's license. These tickets will just be pending. We'll have your $500. So if it results in some sort of conviction, we'll apply that money to the conviction. I can't apply that $500 to that 135 though. Those have to stay with those cases. So if you want to take that route, ma'am, I can offer you that. I've waived the reinstatement fee on the one that's in default. I'm gonna set the default aside. So you'll just have pending cases, and you'll still be able to get a driver's license as long as you take care of Highland Park.
Yes. Yes.
You want to do that?
Well, I don't get off work until 5 o'clock. So
you got to get down here at some point. I'm not saying you do it today.
Oh, okay. Okay. I thought you were saying
Yeah,
today. I'm sorry.
They're not going to let her pay the reinstatement fee. She's going to have to come to the window. You're going to have to come down to the window because my clerk is putting that into the file, and the cashier at the window is, you're going to have to let her know that I said you can pay the reinstatement fee. Just like Miss Yvonne did. She did it, and she got a driver's license. But you're gonna have to take care of Highland Park first. But if you come down with that 135, you'll have clearances here, and the only thing that'll be holding you up is Highland Park.
Okay, right. Okay, so how long are you giving me, Judge?
I'm gonna give you till March the 7th.
Okay, whew, okay.
Is that gonna be time enough?
Oh yeah. I'll try to get down there exactly this week to pay the 130.
Yeah, because it'll automatically send clearances to the Secretary of State.
Okay, good. Okay, I will, Judge.
I'm gonna give you till March the 7th. And you go back in there and you try to get them to honor that class, take that class, and send me that certificate to the email address. We're gonna resolve it one way or the other.
Yes.
March 7th.
Okay.
That gives you an opportunity, so you're not out there riding dirty.
No, sir. No, sir.
I know you've been out there riding dirty. I already know that. Don't have to admit it. You don't have to admit it. Don't admit it. Your attorney told you to be
That's
quiet.
not a question, ma'am.
It's not a question. Thank you. March the 7th. Let me see. Pay reinstatement fee up front. I'm gonna mark each one of these ROAs for you to see. Pay reinstatement fee front. Okay, understand where we're going with this?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm back in here with some insurance, registration, and a driver's license on March 7th, 2022, and that certificate of completed that class, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, and then when you get down here to pay that reinstatement fee, tell the cashier that the judge says you can pay a reinstatement fee. We're gonna put it in the computer on our end, and then if you have a problem, you give us a call, all right?
No problem, sir.
All right, there's nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day. I'll see you back on March the 7th. At
Okay,
8:30.
thank you so much, Judge.
All right, have a good one.
You too.
What's this Gary Williams thing?
Oh, that was with, what's the lady's name? Another lady was in here when I was on vacation. Jackie, that's her name. And my supervisor, Miss Knight, she wanted to know basically if she entered if the entries were. I think she seems to think she's on probation.
She seems to think he's off probation.
On probation.
All it is 50
Community
hours of
service,
community
yeah.
service. I mean, this is the same difference.
Yeah.
Did you have a nice holiday, Miss Alcindor?
Yes, very relaxing. How about you, Judge?
Very good. I was at an excellent time. I was like, hey, this government job is pretty good. That lady, Lewis, it's a Naisha Lewis and a Aisha Lewis, Lashon. I did mention her name, Lashon. She didn't say anything different, but it seemed as though on the Zoom it had Aisha.
You never answered.
She answered.
Then what happened?
I just wanted to make, I don't know if she didn't pay any attention to me saying Lashon, her middle name, but just got a funny feeling about that.
Oh, she was answering from the wrong person?
Maybe so.
Oh, I don't know. Oh.
Did you do Miss Lewis case, Miss Alcindor? I think you're muted. She might be talking to someone else. Miss Alcindor?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm
I
sorry.
didn't mean to interrupt your conversation.
Nope.
Mr.
Did
Dillard.
you do Miss Lewis's case, Aisha Lewis?
It's Mr. Dillard.
Is Mr. Dillard? Okay.
Yes. It was adjourned to February.
No, I thought I dismissed her cases for Lewis.
She has a review date of February 3rd.
Oh, I told her to come back in with a license, didn't I? Or something. We got a long conversation going on in there. He said it was gonna be quick. But she's a little bit feisty.
Oh.
I totally forgot who we were waiting on.
We're waiting on Miss Javant.
Yeah, I remember now.
Does he want any help? Is there anything I can do on him?
I don't know. You want to go in there?
Sure, I'll give it a try.
He kicked you out?
There's a lot going on in there. I saw some tears, so I backed out. It sounded like they were wrapping things up, maybe.
No. Tomorrow, I'm gonna stop by the office, church meeting just as soon as we're done.
Oh, you have enough energy?
Hmm?
You have enough energy?
I don't have enough energy?
No, will you? After that?
Oh, yeah. Once I'm done, I'll reinvigorate myself. I get reinvigorated.
Oh, my.
Got 2 lawyers for tomorrow.
They know what's up.
Mm-hmm. It's triple this afternoon. Okay. Brings us back on the record, Mrs. Devon.
Yes.
Mr. Diller. Oh, he's still in the breakout room.
Ooh, what happened? Oh, there.
All right, Mr. Diller, you lied to me, man. You lied to me.
Judge, if I lied, but it was all in earnest. You know, I had to put a smile on my client's face, you know?
I know you did.
Your Honor, she's ready to resolve this matter today. If I may, I would like to try to refresh the court's the history on this case. But she was before Your Honor on December 8 of 2021. And that was in regards for at that particular time was dealing with the bench warrant and monies were paid. You had indicated on that day, you may not remember, and but if she was to pay the reinstatement fees and also she was to take the driver's license course for defensive driving. She was to again, it is indicated, reinstatement fees. Here's what she did based on what occurred on December 8th. On December 12 of 2021, she paid reinstatement fees of $45 on 3 cases, and she paid $288 on December 12 of 2021 also. They came to a total of $423. She paid those monies. She indicates that those were paid at the 36th District Court. she had to also go to the Secretary of State, and they requested $125, as well as $25 for her driver's license. And that $125 was for a reinstatement fee with the Secretary of State. And so in reliance of what the court had indicated, she had expended $573 at that time. And she paid the state monies on December 15 of 2021. Now, on that particular day, Your Honor, the court was wanting her to also pay, or not pay, but to attend a Michigan defensive driving course. She did that, Your Honor. And she had to pay a total of $39.95, as well as she expended time to attend that class. Now, my client's occupation is driving. That's how she makes her livelihood. And so in reliance on the representation of this honorable court back on December 8th, she's expended $612.95. With respect to her disposition, Your Honor, I would ask that the court look at her face now and not the disposition that she was expressing earlier. Earlier was not that she was upset with the court, but she was frustrated that she thought she was doing all of the right things in order to get back on track. And that's what she was trying to do. And the frustration that you heard was that the message that was given on the 12th was not the message she was hearing today on January 4th of 2022. Your Honor, she's had many hurdles that she's had to overcome. What I would ask this court to consider, if the court were to do anything in this particular case, I would ask that the court simply remove the other charge as well, and that's the improper plate. In terms of the limited access speed, I would ask that it be one that is not abstracted by the state of Michigan and that does not have any points, because if that's the case, it can impede and have an impact on her employment. She has a past history with the Department of Corrections. And again, all she's trying to do is just get everything right where she can get out here and take care of her family. And she's just trying very hard to continue to do the right things. And so if I may, Your Honor, if the court were to look at something in terms of the civil infraction, could the court just simply consider impeding traffic? Now, I understand that the court has great discretion. I understand that the charges that she's facing, but in this particular case, I'm asking for mercy. The court can go for punishment, rehabilitation, all of those different things. I think by the court's indications on December 8th, she took to heart what the court wanted, and she went strongly towards that changing of the ways with the rehabilitation, getting her life in order with the Secretary of State, getting her life in order with this court. And as the court well knows, many times is very difficult for individuals with a prior history to get that second start. Your Honor, I'm asking for a new start, a fresh start for my client. I'm asking for impeding traffic and then dismiss all these matters.
All right, Ms. Devon, I didn't,
Yes.
Listen, I understand and appreciate what counsel said, everything that counsel said. I mean, that's why he's in the position that he's in. He does a very good job of it. And that's why I'm glad he went in the room with you to settle things down. Because it's never my position, especially in traffic court, to necessarily punish anybody. Is a certain amount of, things you do and you don't do in each given situation. And I understand that you did what was asked of you that day, and that was an olive branch to you, so that you are not out here riding without a driver's license, because you probably articulated that to me at that time, and you did it. Yes. Some people don't even go that far and do that. Now, as for what happened on December 8th, I'm gonna accept council's representation, basically your representation to council, that it happened like it happened. All I have is you're gonna take the Michigan Defensive Driving course and you were gonna pay the reinstatement fees up front. I intended that's why I was waiting on the Michigan Defensive Driving course, so that you can show me proof of that. You're really supposed to articulate in open court what you learned. I'm sure we went over that things at that time, but I didn't even ask that of you. But you seem to have an attitude, and maybe it's because of what counsel has said and what he articulated. With me, when I'm sitting here and I'm thinking I'm doing everything I can possibly do to help you out, I don't want to see you have any points on your driving record. I do want you to slow down.
Okay.
But I do appreciate that you have a job that's driving. I wish I could save everybody from some points, because I don't believe in this insurance business that we have, especially with how they do us in the city of Detroit. I don't like it, and I wish I could save everybody from having points. So that's why I was so wanting to see first, make sure that you took the course, because I can kind of tell if I ask you to give me a representation, because I've heard so many times what's in it. And second, that you got something out of it, that you learned something, and that we won't go down this road again. Because quite frankly, driving 20 to 25 over or 16 to 20 over down Gratiot is unacceptable. You have kids, right?
Yes.
So you put yourself in somebody else's position that's been down there before. Their kids have stepped out in the street and somebody has run them over and killed them. And you could be going the speed limit and that happens. What do you think is going to happen when you're driving 16 to 20 miles over?
You might hit somebody, you might hit something. A lot of stuff can happen.
A lot of stuff can happen, all because you're in a rush, all because you're thinking about you. That's what we do when we speed. We're thinking about ourselves.
You're absolutely right.
Nobody else. So, look, listen, what I'm going to do is I'm going to adopt the council's representation on that, and giving you that blocking traffic, and I'll dismiss all the other things. But you're angry, or you're dismayed is with the wrong person here. I thought I was doing everything, and not just you, everybody that comes in front of me, I try to do and try to make it fair. I try to make it reasonable, and I try to rule with some compassion. Because I've been in difficult situations in my life. So I know how it is, especially for a single mother that's raising two kids that I understand that.
And I want to apologize to you too. All
right.
Did you hear me? I'm sorry, my phone went out. Did you hear me apologize?
Don't come up in here with that with me again, all right?
Okay, I don't want no problem.
You know? All right. So listen.
Your Honor, I stipulate to the facts of for the ticket to get a court jurisdiction on the plea.
All right, and you're right, Counselor. If that's I definitely wanted to convey a message to her on that date that we would try to make things a better situation for her. And I do appreciate the fact that she did do what a lot of other judges won't do, is allow you to pay the reinstatement fees, because I don't want you to sit out here without a driver's license with these cases over your head, because you got to get a license, you got to get your life on the road, and we don't have that kind of transportation, public transportation, that allows you to do that, unfortunately. So what I will do is I'm going to take the lead with you, Mr. Lamont, is I'm going to go ahead and adopt that recommendation, or adopt that which your counselor has expressed to me. I'm going to reduce the speeding ticket to a blocking traffic, and that's because I do believe that you took the course, first of all. I do appreciate that you did pay the reinstatement fees, and you now have a driver's license.
Thank you.
I'm going to dismiss the other matters, and I will. So I'm going to charge you $175 for that block traffic. Client, counselor, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. With that, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. I'm going to fine you $175 for that. And will your client stipulate probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
Yes, Your Honor, we stipulate.
I suggest that you give Mr. Dillard's phone number, ma'am, because he's a very good lawyer. You are very blessed to have a caliber lawyer that you have today, and Mrs. Alcindor as well. But you need to make a relationship with a lawyer. And I know that sometimes the fees can be sometimes what people think is overbearing, but when you make that relationship with people, then they're more willing to work with you. I'm not saying that that's going to happen, but they're more willing to work with you. But let me tell you this, you really can't afford not to have a relationship with a good lawyer, especially in our society today. These little traffic matters, it doesn't have to even go this far if you make that relationship. So I say Mr. Dillard, because I see that he spent an awful lot of time with you in that room. I know it was probably a lot of emotions going on in that room, and he did what any expert lawyer is going to do. He calmed the situation down. He listened to you. He documented everything that was said, probably without you even knowing it. And then he comes back and he artfully articulates so that he puts me in the position to move me like I've done. All right?
Yes.
All right, so I don't know what these other $45 fees are here, Ms. Nash. Let me see. Because if you paid the reinstatement fees, I don't see why those fees are still up here.
Yeah, because I just got to send all my receipts to, I was sending my receipts to you. I'm going to send them all to Mr. Dillard. Everything got paid. That's what I was around the house looking for.
Well, I can see what you paid. I see she has a balance here. So what we're going to do is we're going to, I'll waive any warrant fees. You know, I just don't know what these reinstatement fees are. Oh, these are the old cases. So All right, what we're gonna do is just, we're going to dismiss the cases. We're gonna wipe away all the fees except for the $175. We'll take that out of the bond, and you can either come down to the court and have them apply the bond, or we can put the request in here, but you have to take this number down to follow up on that request.
Ooh. Okay, I'm ready for the number.
313-965-5228.
Okay.
Yeah, all I'm gonna say is just sometimes, Mr. Lamont, you need to keep your emotions in check. You know,
Okay.
you know, I know it's in court anytime, it's an emotional thing and things like that, but keep your emotions in check and then handle things, in my opinion, a little bit, you know, a little bit better. I guess that's what the purpose of the lawyer is for too, to kind of make sure that those emotions don't get involved in the proceedings. All right.
Yes.
All right. Anything further, Counselor?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Anything further,
Thank
Mr.
you, Mr.
Devon?
Dillard.
You're welcome.
Anything
Thank
further,
you.
Mr. Devon?
No, thank you.
All right. Have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
All right. Bye-bye. We'll apply that bond. You can wipe away all the other fees except for the $175 bond traffic. A minute. Ms. Lopez, what are you doing?
How you doing?
How are you?
I'm okay.
What are we doing here?
Tomorrow I go in for my community work, and Ava, she made a phone call towards me yesterday in the evening time, and I was supposed to report in today with you. I know I got another court date coming on up on the 7th.
What's your date of birth, Ms. Lopez?
July 10, 1969.
I'll review today. You didn't do any community service yet, right?
No, I'm supposed to be going in tomorrow.
Is this the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center case?
No, it's supposed to be on, Miss Green, she gave me a referral to go to the church on Evergreen and Grand River.
All right, how much time do you need, Ms. Lopez? Let's call the case. This is City of Detroit versus Nancy Lopez, case number SP 1192135, counts 1 and 2, SP 1223448, counts 1, 2, and 3, U5578450, 185253007, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Ayana Alcindor, House Counsel, appearing on behalf of Ms. Lopez. Ms. Lopez, can you state your full name for the court?
Nancy Lopez.
All right. Good morning to you, Ms. Lopez. So you need some more time. Is that what you're asking me for?
Yes, the holdup was because
Ms.
the Christmas.
Ms. Lopez,
Yes.
let's not even go there, all right?
Okay.
All right, you need some more time, right?
Yes, I do.
Looking good there, Ms. Lopez.
Thank you, sir.
All right, so how much time do you need?
You could give me less than a month. I don't know how the way they do it, but I could finish this on off as soon as possible. But what they got me, what they're gonna have me doing, I don't know.
All right, Ms. Lopez, come back on March the 7th, okay?
Thank you, sir.
All right, I'll see you on March the 7th. Have a great day.
You too. No, hold on.
All right, I think that we're done for the morning. I appreciate you guys' service. Mr. Dillard and Ms. Alcindor.
Yes.
And Millie Williams Law.
Problem, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Anna. And you have a wonderful day.
All right, you have a better one, and I'll see you guys sometime in the near future, hopefully.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
See you at 1:30, Your Honor.
1:30.
Okay.
All right. All right, I think that should be it.